Welcome back to Automatic Education. Nissan has unveiled the ARC, a corporate plan that is divided into mid-term initiatives to be implemented through 2030 and fiscal years 2024 through 2026. The Japanese carmaker has confirmed 4 debuts for fiscal year 2024, including the recently revealed Nissan Kicks and Infiniti QX80. The brand new Armada and Murano represent the other two. The body-on-frame Armada, also referred to as Patrol in most parts of the world, is connected at the hip to the QX80. Nissan most likely will replace its D-segment platform for the 4th-generation Murano, which is a unibody vehicle. The 2022 model year Infiniti QX60 and the mechanically identical Nissan Pathfinder, both of which have a direct-injected V6, are the newest vehicles to use the D platform. Unlike the QX80 and Nissan pickup trucks, their 9-speed automatic transmission is unique since the ZF9 HP was made for transverse powerplants. One of Nissan's worst-selling cars in the US is the $38,190 Murano, which is marginally more expensive than the $36,080 Pathfinder. In contrast to the Pathfinder and Rogue, which sold 71,710 and 271,458 copies, respectively, only 31,137 units were transferred in 2023. The Armada is the carmaker's least well-liked SUV. Only 21,185 units were supplied to the US market last year, a pittance in comparison to the 73,396 sales of Ford Motor Company's Expedition and the 110,328 and 52,820 sales of General Motors' Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. Instead of a redesigned 5.7-liter Endurance V8, the all-new Armada will get a twin-turbocharged V6, just like the Expedition based on the F-150. The 3.5-liter 6, codenamed VR35DDTT, powers the Z63 Infiniti QX80 with 450 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 516 pound-feet, 700 Newton-meters, of torque at 3,600 revolutions per minute. The Y63 Nissan Armada's stats ought to be rather similar to those described above. They are both powered by the Jatco JR913E, a 9-speed automatic transmission based on the Mercedes-Benz 9G Tronic that is presently found in the Frontier, Titan, and Z. 3 rows would be problematic for the Pathfinder, therefore the Murano's current generation's 5-seat arrangement will be carried over until the 2025 model. Nissan's present production site in Smyrna, Tennessee, is where the assembly of the Murano and Pathfinder will take place. Relatedly, the automaker with its headquarters in Yokohama plans to launch a minimum of 6 models in the 2025 fiscal year. The corporation plans to add 5 new vehicles to its lineup by the 2026 fiscal year. Just 2 of the 11 cars that will be unveiled are brand new.